Hello, everyone. Good Investor here. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope your week is going well despite the uncertainties in the market. The last couple of days have been ridiculous for all of us and me as well. It was crazy to see the swing in the portfolio. It is absolutely uh, discouraging to see so much redness in the charts. However, my thoughts on this is slightly different, and I don't want to stick too much on this about this stock crash on this video. But essentially, I think the history is repeating itself. Exactly last year at around this time, the exact sell-off happened, uh, and we saw tremendous growth since then. And because of that, I think the history is repeating itself. And for me, as a person who likes buying stuff when they're cheap, I see this as an opportunity and I am absolutely going in. Tomorrow would be another video of how I am actually investing. So stay tuned and I will actually get you within the overall investing, because now I figured out how I would record my laptop instead of doing it over phone screenshots. So definitely stay tuned on that. But today in this video, I want to talk about a huge news that happened today. It happened a couple of hours ago, and my apologies that I couldn't get it earlier to you. But essentially, this is big not only for the cryptocurrency industry, blockchain and Bitcoin, but also essentially it could transfer to the stock market as well. So the news is here we go. As you can see, Tesla officially accepting Bitcoin, and Elon Musk tweeted so many times about this. And as we all know, a couple of months ago, he started this conversation that there could be a possibility when Bitcoin would be accepted as a form of payment for buying a Tesla. And here we go. We're here right now, and this is happening. And as a backstory, you may know that Tesla is one of the believers in Bitcoin, including Elon Musk himself, and they invested a huge amount of $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin a couple of months ago, and there have been so many fluctuations, but they still stuck with the investment, which definitely tells about how much they believe in Bitcoin. So today, as we can see, they are now starting from today, and it applies for now only to U.S. customers, that they can now move on and purchase a Tesla, no matter what kind of Tesla, a Tesla, using their Bitcoins. And the bigger news is not just this. The bigger news is Bitcoin paid to Tesla will be retained as Bitcoin, not converted to fiat currency. So essentially what fiat currency is, the dollar or any kind of paper money that me and you are familiar with. US dollar is a sort of fiat currency as well. So the reason they specifically state this is because many other companies who also decided to accept cryptocurrency as a form of payment, like Visa and MasterCard, the way they work is they get your Bitcoin, they convert it into fiat currency in the market during the market value. Meaning, if Bitcoin, for example, is right now worth $52,145 at the time of payment, when you're purchasing a Bitcoin, when you're purchasing something using your Bitcoin, it would be converted using the rate. It could be higher than the market, it could be lower than the market. So that actually depends on the company. But the thought behind it is that it gets converted into US dollar or any other fiat currency, and that dollar value will be paid to the merchant. But this one is bigger. This one says the Bitcoin that you use for the transaction, it would be held as a Bitcoin and not transferred to fiat. So that actually gives a hint that the bigger things are coming, and Tesla is the opener of those bigger things, and other companies could follow it and actually store Bitcoin. So this is such a big news for me and for the blockchain industry, for crypto as well. So that being said, Elon Musk also says that this is something that is applied to only to US purchasers of Tesla, but it could potentially be rolled over overseas. But they did not include any specific dates, so he literally said, "Hey guys, stay tuned, it's coming." But essentially, as of now, it's only rolling out within the U.S. market. Other than that, we're just talking about Bitcoin for now. It's not Ethereum. It's not other form of currency yet, and definitely not Dogecoin yet, because right now they see the potential on Bitcoin. And hey, you never know; it could come back. But as of now, we're only speaking of Bitcoin, so don't think of it as an overall cryptocurrency. That being said, I think this is the biggest news so far. I do not like getting these videos too long, so keeping it quite short. Here we go. I will include the link on the description as well, just in case if you want to check it out. I am definitely not getting paid for this, right? But I definitely want you to check it out if you are interested on learning more about it. Stay tuned for a video tomorrow morning during the market hours. I will definitely create a video, something that I never did before. It's gonna be from scratch how I am purchasing options or stocks, most probably options on some of the money that I am planning to invest in during this market bottom. Stay tuned. I'll talk to you later. Have a good night. Bye bye.